Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how we can log on to SAP using our credentials and automatically, with a click of button, we can do plenty of things, right? So this is a template in which we have a setup button. By setting up, we enter once all the credentials, means the login ID, password, etc. And then later on, with a click of button, you can, let's see, it will load automatically. It will enter your password and log on to the SAP automatically, right? These all are being done automatically. You don't have to. So doing this is, you have many advantages that you will not make any typing mistake. You will not have to waste the time of the basis people complaining them that my account is locked, and they will unlock it and then you do it again. So doing this way, you will never have any need to have your account locked due to unsuccessful attempt. So it will always be successful, right? The next thing is that you can create an index and you can use all these drop downs and use the modules, whichever you want, and it will list down all your objects within that module, and it will make the T code ready for you. And if there is any variant, then this, and then clicking on this log on this time, uh, this will take you to the desired T code, right? So our today's topic is something which we already presented you in Urdu and Hindi language, but this time we are doing it in English uh, uh, to tell all our audience that how we can use Excel expertise and how we can utilize the SE43 T code. This is meant for to create you and change your customized area menu. Area menu is actually the menu which you make for your own self, means eliminating all those things which are not used by you. So you just otherwise, in a normal case, when you log on to the SAP, then you have so many things listed in it, and which you seldom use, which are not pertaining to you, or you. So you just want to create your own menu. So for this, you have the T code as shown in your this screen, that is SE43. That will help you create your own area menu, containing the objects which you would be using in your day-to-day activities of your job, right? And SU3 is also something very important thing. When working in SAP, you have certain variables, some certain fields which you want not to type again and again. You know that you have a certain company code, and you don't work on any other company. You have only one company to work with. So why you have to? Why is it required for you to enter all the time? Why not the defaults are set for that value? So SU3 helps you assign the default values to your common variable elements, the fields which are in the SAP. So this will save your typing time, right? So you quickly get all the values and then you can proceed. So this saves your time as well. And this also is SE43 is also is a time saving. So let's see what is SE43, right? So SE43 is the T code which allow us to customize this SAP Easy Access menu to have only the items which you have. Okay, so when you click on it, so for SE43, you have such a so you have if uh, you have already created a menu, then you can change it, or you can create a new menu, for example, Z, and then you can type some menu, say my new menu, etc. Right? So if it is not already there, then you can create it and you can continue your work, right? So we have already created it using it. So if you go there, and in here we remove this 500, and our area menu starts with Z, for example, and we put a star in here so that anything is starting with Z, star. So this will list all your menus. So since we have only one menu in here, so okay, so we click it. So this is our menu, right? And we are going to change this menu. Otherwise, we will have to create it. So we change it. So you have such as developer, you can develop your menu using these tools, right? So anywhere when you click, for example, you want to uh, or expand it, you can expand it. Okay, and if you want to create a new entry within this, so wherever is your selection, so it is going. If you select in here, so the top level node will be created, right? And this is okay. If you want to uh, open it, then click in here, so it will show you that what are the contents of this container. So let's see that let's try adding a new thing in here. Okay, so in data tools, we have just suppose that we want to add a new tool in here. Okay, so what we do, we click in here. So this is the, so in the transaction code we write SQVI. This is a very useful T code normally. Okay, it helps us do the quick view. It's a quick view, right? Okay, so we add it. So the quick viewer is added in the cell. Now you have a quick viewer added in it. Okay, in the master data, you have the custom master data, vendor master data, and the material master data, right? So in which you create and change and display the master data, right? So you can distribute all your transactions of your day-to-day activities in a proper container from a proper folders, and so you have a tree structure ready for you. And certain transactions you can also add in here. For example, you want SQVI, or you can add a VA01 order entry program. Yeah, so let's add a transaction. So we say VA01. For example, this is your creation of sale order, right? We click OK. So a new item is added in the transactions. And uh, similarly, you can have certain standard reports. VA05 is the report which you would like to have the outstanding orders. So VA05, VA05. So this is a list of sale orders, right? So the list of sales orders are added in here. And now you can save it, and you have made the changes in your customized area menu. Now, how to get it, have it appear automatically? So for this, you need to uh, run the code which we heard, the other code that helps you set the default value, right? So let's leave this session, and now we type SU3. SU3. This T code allows you to set up some default values to which I was talking to you about. For the moment, we just want to set up the startup menu. So our startup menu is the Z SAP Easy. Okay? So this is the menu which we would like it to appear all the time whenever. So it is not coming. Why? Because we have to go to the Control F11, okay, or SAP menu. So this will bring all your customized menus which you have prepared for yourself. So you can add and remove the new things using SE43, and you can make your own area menu. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.